Did you guys know the average person opens up the phone 110 times a day? It's insane how many times that we are actually looking at this lock screen of iPhone or other smartphone. If you think about it, that's the average. 110 times a day is the average, not the person who opens up like the most. So probably there is a people who opens up like a 200 or 300 times a day. And then what we're actually looking at is this. Yes, this is my vision board, which probably most likely I'm looking at this screen 100 times a day. And what this vision board does is basically it goes up into your subconscious mind straight away, and it will help you to create your reality. What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Okay, cut. Let's go again. It's been a long time since I did YouTube. Anyway, right, what is happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. And my name is Show, and in this video, we're gonna talk about a vision board, which has been helping me to actually manifest things in my life. And this is my vision board on my iPhone, but this is not my first lock screen. This is actually, I already changed quite a few times, maybe 3 or 4 times. I have this TikTok screen, which is, it says 1 million followers. I made it in a Photoshop. And this is a Buddha, as you can see, because I want to be like a Buddha. Alright, so let me tell you guys about this beautiful story about Buddha, okay? And once upon a time, there was a Buddha, and then this random guy came up to him. He wanted to try to insult him and make him angry, because Buddha is super peaceful and calm and doesn't react on anything, right? So he came up to me and spit on Buddha and just like tried to insult whatever, everything he could, like did everything he could to try to make him angry. But Buddha didn't react. Buddha didn't do anything. So he left. He was so exhausted, he was so embarrassed and frustrated, so he left. And there was the other guy came up to Buddha and he was like, Buddha, why you didn't react on it? He was so bad trying to insult you and spit on you. Why you didn't do anything? So Buddha goes, if you didn't take the present from someone else, where does this present belong to? So it means this random guy came up to Buddha, gave him a present filled with anger, frustration, insult, the negative energy. He didn't take it. So the present goes back right at him. So he was exhausted, he was embarrassed, he was frustrated because that's the present that he wanted to give to Buddha, but it ended up getting himself. So what I want to tell you is, you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you are. I think you've heard it before. But the thing is, if you constantly pull your energy down into a negativity based on what's happening, maybe some people are randomly come up to you and then try to insult you. And then if you receive the present, that means your vibration is also going down like his, because you're opening the present from someone who tried to insult you or like make you angry or like frustrated. So if you are being the negative vibration itself, that means you are going to 100% going to manifest that thing, that vibration. So this is just a daily tip that you have to remind yourself that whatever happens outside there, don't react. Try to protect your inner peace, try to protect your happiness, and don't let anyone to ruin your happiness. Don't open that random negative present and you just give it back to them. Alright? So that's from the Buddha story, but this, where we're going to dive in, this vision board, super easy, super easy but powerful. So let's dive in how to create. Alright, so here's a Photoshop that you can also use a page or other app or even a phone that you can put all the photos together. It doesn't matter the software is, I just love to use a Photoshop. This is the recent one that I made. So we're gonna create something same. And then I just like this backbone, which is a concrete wall. So alright, so this is actually the best sizing for the iPhone lock screen, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. If you're using the different smartphone, then the sizing you have to kind of like adjust by yourself. And this, as you can see, this is about 155 width. The height is 260, and this is what it looks like at the end. And then I personally love this concrete wall on the back, so I'm just going to put it here and adjust. Well, if you guys like, you guys can also use this theater, live your life like a movie. So if you want to use this theater, live your life like a movie, then clearly don't steal it from me, but you can also put this on your lock screen on your vision board, and then you can tag me on Instagram for this vision board making, and I'll definitely tag you back on my story, okay? It's love. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to first of all collect these photos from anything, Pinterest, or like a Google. So I'll explain. So let's see, I love this. I really love this. So this is actually Jay and Alexis Lim. If you guys know about these two gangsters. But what I love about this is just I love surfing since I was a kid. I surfed since I was 2, and I need to be in the nature sometime. I think it's time to get out and sit in and just be in nature. So for me, it's like having a soulmate. It means having a soulmate and just going to travel this life, and then also go like just surf everywhere I go. Well, obviously if you go to city then you can't surf, but this is something that I really want to do with my future girlfriend, my soulmate, my best friend, and just travel around the world and then go surf. So you just collect these photos. Like, okay, this is a traveling, and oh, what about this? I really love to go to Morocco. So this is actually a Morocco. I'm sorry, it's not so clean line, but make sure you use these size, because when you actually put on the iPhone, then you're not gonna see these part. So you're not going to be able to see actually these part. So make sure that your photos are going to fit in a little bit of the inside of the, if it's very important for you, make it a little bit bigger than others. And don't forget about this money part as well, because we, you know, whether you like it or not, we need to pay the bills. We need to earn the money. It's how you live. So I usually use this, or you can go something different, like this is the money photo. I'll show you a bit. Wow, this is crazy. So you can also use this kind of type of picture with the money. If you don't really like the check, then you can also use these type of photos. Actually, I was doing this, not the car part, but just the cafe part. So I literally in 2 days, 3 days later, I manifested in Milan, and we went to the Lake Como. And then as I work as a model, it's the campaign for the Dolce & Gabbana. It's a beautiful campaign. So, and then you see that, for example, this can fit right there, so I'm just gonna put it there because I prefer organized. I really love organized things. So look at that, be you. So the Dolce & Gabbana campaign can be like fit like this and have a little bit of space. So let's go to a dream house, right? And I love this bathroom. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this bathroom. It's so beautiful. And I want to have a bathroom like this. there's where you can take a bath, not just a shower, and then you see all the natural light with the green, maybe chandelier on the top. Then I also want this, because I really want to reach 1 million followers on TikTok. I mean, I will manifest this one for sure. So okay, oh, this would be amazing. I used to have this before, but this picture is absolutely beautiful. That this guy is meditating on the cliff. Yes, look at that. This is beautiful, and then I really want to do this. I'm gonna manifest this one, okay? So this is what it looks like. It's super easy if you, and then you can just make it circle, or I prefer this kind of like organized, well shaped, cute, and then this little space that you can just like kind of kill a bit. And this is done. It was super easy, it's super fast. If you have the Pinterest or Google, then you can just collect all these photos and yeah, like place it as you want. And set it on your lock screen, and then you just use your phone. And this will help you subconsciously to attract what you want, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment, or you can also send me a DM on Instagram. And that's it. Let's manifest all our desires into reality. Alright guys, have a great day. Peace. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe my channel and put the notification bell, because I'm gonna drop a video once a week. And if you use the theater, live your life like a movie, then tag me on Instagram so I can tag you back, okay? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and notification bell. Hit it. Alright guys, peace. Live your life like a movie.